Good day to my employers in Hong Kong. My name is Marjorie Pabular. I'm 35 years old from Philippines and I'm high school graduate. I'm single mother with my two daughters, 15 years old and 12 years old. I'm a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia before for 5 years and 9 months as June 2016 to March 2022. And I had been worked as household working service for 2 years and 2 months in Qatar for 2022 to 2024. I do cleaning, clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, and cooking. And I'm willing to learn new things regarding to my work. And I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I'm a hardworking, risk taker, opportunity seeker, patient, honest, and God-fearing person. And I'm willing to do all-around household chores. And I will assure you that I will take care of your house, and I will love to work and stay in your family. If you trust me and give me a chance to give the most of my service. I love to take care of your kids too, responsibility as your helper and manage everything as long as I could. Thank you and God bless.